morning to you. Ito tayo ngayon. So, preparing tayo sa aking B16 Head Rebuilt. Yan. As you can see, malinis na ang aking head. So, we did a little love on the head. May headworks tayong konti. Hindi ko nasasabihin kasi alam niyo naman kung ang gagawin sa head para lumakas. Don't do any details for it. Yeah, ating throttle body. Yeah. Blox racing 68mm only. Tapos ang ating newly painted valve cover. So pinituran natin siya ng gold. This money is gold. Ang aking cams, aking cam gear, BMS. Hindi siya copy, this is original. And then this is B16 cams. Actually I want to trade them with the Crower cams, so maybe tomorrow or this week I'm gonna get it, and then I'm gonna swap this one with add a little cash. So this is the head gasket from Cometic. Shout out to you, Cometic. We're using your brand. We are here from Doha. And Bob Seals, Supertech, Blox Racing, LMAs, and this is my internals. Already clean and the grease. These are already clean now, ready to dump into the head. So I already replaced my valve guides. They are from Supertech, as you can see, but we grind them because they're too long. I don't know. This is what my machinist did. So he knows a lot better than me. Just give a comment if I did wrong or right. From the inside. Okay guys, that's all for today. It stands raising again. Just want to share our project. Actually, this is the car of my friend Mike Segi. He just took it from our other friend that eventually he was trying to sell his car. So Mark, one of my friend, has a decent proposal, a good deal in the car. So what we did, this is the D15B VTEC on the previous engine, but Mark did swap the engine. I don't know if this is open. Okay, the hood is open. I will give you a sneak peek preview of the engine. I don't know if you saw this post in my previous video or post. If you are updated in my channel and my page, I already posted this one, but just want to share with you in the video. Okay, actually this is a 96-98 Civic sedan. Before it's automatic, then they shift it to manual, and now we remove the engine, the D15B, and turn into this, guys. Hello B20 B16. What's you gonna say? Bye guys. This is dope, right? This engine runs around 11.7 or 11.8 in the quarter mile on the chassis of an EG hatchback. Look at the headers. I like the headers. Headers is from PLM. If you can see, that's a long runner. Actually, I want to swap this one for my other headers. My header is like it's not like this one. This is better. What do you have? Oh, what you can see here, you have Brian Crower cam gears, and I'm quite sure that he runs a Brian Crower Stage 2 camshaft. No wonder he runs so fast. I cannot catch up with him. And this tranny, although the bell housing is only S80, but the final drive of this car is 4.9. Quite fast, right? My EG has only 4.4, the final drive, but now it comes with the LSD. I don't know, before I run around 12.7 with that, without LSD or final drive. Without the LSD I'm running 12.7. I'm hoping with my car to run around a little bit lower than 12 seconds. I want to show you a little bit in the car, in the interior. Okay, the seats comes from Bright. Look at this, nice, right? But I don't like the dashboard. I like OEMs, black or gray. I don't know, Mark. I know Mark will gonna swap this color into the OEM ones, but the interior is quite cool. Very good, so clean, as you can see. With the back, this concept is one of our friends. The concept of the vehicle, the sedan, the EK. His concept is Mugen. I think this is not an OEM one. It comes from Mugen. I think this comes only from eBay. eBay wing. Not bad. Cool though. See. And this EK comes with sunroof. The rims comes from both ways. Race engineered. In our place they call this one Bigote. Bigote Civic. Save the Bigote. Nice. See? Now you have a small P on the car from Mark Segi. There's a lot of car. There's a DC2 as well. He's keeping it in the garage. I don't know what his plan with this car, but I'm quite sure this car will run on the track. I know that guy. He just saying, I'm gonna run it only on the city, in the streets. I just want to hang out with you guys, but I'm sure this is gonna be a race car soon. So guys, thanks for watching.